Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and we're back for another video. But before we proceed, pasok muna natin ang intro. Hi guys! It's me again, Gracie. I share video tutorials, personal vlog, my personal vlog, and unboxing videos. If you think na gusto mo yung mga ganitong videos, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, ang topic po natin ngayon is about how to send money from BDO to your GCash account. Okay? So, in our next slide, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano gagawin to step by step para mas maging malinaw sa inyo. This is very easy to do and I hope masundan nyo po yung step by step na process na kung paano natin isi-send yung cash natin from BDO to GCash, to our GCash account or to other GCash account. Okay? So, let's go! Guys, ganun po ang process niya kung paano gawin ang pag-send ng money or ng funds natin from BDO to our GCash account. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong po ang video na ito sa inyo. Kung kayo po may mga katanungan, just comment down below. I'll do my best to answer everything as long as it's related sa ating topic ngayon. And disclaimer lang guys, hindi pa ako nag-work sa BDO or sa GCash. This is all based on my own experience, okay? And guys, konting request lang po. Please follow all my social media pages. This will be a big help for us. And please like and subscribe to my channel. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito and sa tingin mo this is a very informative video, share this video. And thank you so much and God bless us all guys. Bye!